Are you struggling to manage the products and services in your inventory efficiently? Discover how importing your product and service data into Xero can simplify your inventory management and save you valuable time. We need a tool to simplify this task. At the top right corner, click on the waffle icon, often called the waffle iron menu, and select Find More Apps. This takes you to the Xero App Store, where you can find many useful add-ons for your Xero account. In the search bar, type SaasAnt Transactions. Click on the SaasAnt Transactions app to open its details. Here, you'll find a Get This App button. Click on it to integrate SaasAnt Transactions with your Xero account. Once connected, SaasAnt Transactions will provide a CSV template for importing your invoices. Download this template. It's a spreadsheet designed to organize your invoice data correctly. Open the downloaded CSV template and start entering your invoice details. Make sure to keep the original column headings as they are. Fill in the invoice data carefully to avoid any errors during the import process. After entering all the details, save the file in CSV format to ensure it's compatible with the SaasAnt Transactions import process. Back in SaasAnt Transactions, look for the option to select and upload the CSV file you've just saved. Choose Product and Services as both the sheet type and entity type. Next, upload your file. In Mapping, align your invoice import file columns with the respective fields in Xero. This step is crucial for a successful import. After mapping the columns, validate the setup to ensure everything is correct. Review all details thoroughly. If everything looks good, proceed with the upload. Review this information carefully to finalize the process. Now, all 35 transactions synced smoothly. To ensure everything is in order, check one of the response IDs in Xero, which will confirm the successful import of your contact. Now, you've successfully imported your invoices into Xero using SaasAnt Transactions. Now you can manage your finances more efficiently and focus on growing your business. And there you have it. With SaasAnt Transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when SaasAnt can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.